First, wash and dry the neep. Peel the outer skin or carefully remove with a knife. Carefully remove both ends of the neep. Cut the neep in half. Carefully cut half of the neep into small pieces. You can refer to the video for sizing. Transfer the chopped neep into a microwave vented mug. Add 1 tablespoon of boiling water into the mug. Place the lid on the mug and open the vent. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Remove the mug from the microwave and leave to stand for 1 minute. It will continue to cook in this time. Carefully remove the lid from the mug. Pierce the neep with a fork to check it's soft and fully cooked throughout. If the neep is still hard and not fully cooked, return back to the microwave for 1 minute. Leave to stand for 1 minute before retesting. If necessary, repeat this process until the neep is fully cooked and soft throughout. This video uses an 800 watt microwave. Cooking times can vary between different microwaves. It is important that you check the neep is fully cooked before moving on.